I recently asked ChatGPT for a list of profitable strategies on pocket option, and here's what it provided. Wow, the list is extensive. Let's take a closer look.
How to use the Ballinger Bands trading strategy. This strategy is based on the use of the Ballinger Bands indicator, developed by John Ballinger. It consists of 3 lines, a moving average, and 2 outer lines, which are adjusted according to market volatility. These lines expand when the market is volatile and contract during calmer periods, helping to evaluate market dynamics and potential price reversals. How to set up the Ballinger Bands indicator for quick trades, starting at 5 seconds. For short-term trades, use a period of 20 and a deviation of 2. When the price reaches the lower line and starts to rebound, you can open an up trade. When the price touches the upper line and starts to recede, open a down trade. Use Ballinger Bands with other indicators such as RSI or MACD for more reliable signals. How to use the RSI strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Relative Strength Index strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a momentum indicator that helps you determine how much and how fast the price of an asset is changing. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is ideal for identifying entry and exit points in short-term trades. How to set up the RSI for short-term trades? Go to Indicators and select RSI. For short-term trades, consider reducing the standard period from 14 to 510 to make the indicator more sensitive to market movements. Watch for RSI values above 70, overbought, and below 30, oversold. These moments can offer good points to open trades. For example, if the indicator exceeds 70 from bottom to top, it's a signal to open an up trade. And if the indicator shows a value below 30 from top to bottom, it's a signal to open a down trade. Combine the RSI with chart analysis to refine signals. RSI can significantly improve your ability to make quick decisions based on market momentum data. Experiment with settings and find what works best for you.
How to use the MACD strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the MACD strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on one of the most popular indicators, the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD indicator shows the relationship between 2 moving averages of the asset price. It consists of 2 lines, the MACD line and the signal line, as well as a histogram that displays the difference between these lines. If the histogram is above the 0 line and the peaks of the histogram bars are consistently rising, then there is an uptrend in the market. If the histogram is below the 0 line, the trend is downward. How to set up the MACD indicator for quick trades from 5 seconds. Set the fast line to 5 periods, the slow line to 13 periods, and the signal line to 4 periods. Watch for MACD and signal line crossover signals. If the MACD crosses the signal line from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade, while crossing from top to bottom can serve as a signal to open a down trade. Use the MACD in combination with other indicators and market analysis to get better signals. How to use the Supertrend trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Supertrend strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the Supertrend indicator, which was developed by Olivier Sabin and helps to identify trends in the market. How to set up the Supertrend indicator for quick trades. Set the ATR period to 10 and the multiplier to 3. Open an up trade when the price crosses the Supertrend line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the price crosses the Supertrend line from top to bottom. Combine Supertrend signals with other indicators such as moving average or ADX to improve accuracy. How to use the Alligator trading strategy. Today we will tell you how to use the Alligator strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the Alligator indicator developed by Bill Williams. Oops, wrong picture. Alligator helps to identify trends and their direction using 3 smooth moving averages that visually resemble the jaws, teeth, and lips of an alligator. How to set up the Alligator indicator for quick trades. Set the following values. Jaws, blue line. 13 periods, shift by 8. Teeth, red line, 8 periods, shift by 5. Lips, green line, 5 periods, shift by 3. Follow the interaction of the lines. When the green line, lips, crosses the red, teeth, and blue, jaws, lines from bottom to top, open an up trade. When the green line, lips, crosses the red, teeth, and blue, jaws, lines from top to bottom, open a down trade. For best results, combine the Alligator indicator with other tools such as RSI or MACD to confirm the signals. How to use the Stochastic trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Stochastic strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the use of the Stochastic Oscillator indicator. The Stochastic Oscillator is an indicator that shows the current price position relative to its previous highs and lows. It consists of 2 periods, the fast, %K, and the slow, %D, and helps to identify moments when an asset might be overbought or oversold. How to set up the Stochastic Oscillator indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For example, you can set periods like this, %K to 5, %D to 3, and the smoothing period to 3. Watch for stochastic line crossover signals. When the fast line crosses the slow line from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade. If the crossover occurs from top to bottom, open a down trade. Use the stochastic indicator in combination with trend analysis for better results. How to use the Parabolic SAR trading strategy. Today we'll show you how to use the Parabolic SAR strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the use of the Parabolic SAR indicator. Parabolic SAR, or stop and reverse, is an indicator that helps to determine the trend direction and moments for a possible trend reversal. The indicator is displayed on the chart as dots that are placed above or below the price. How to set up the Parabolic SAR indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For short-term trades, the acceleration parameter, also called step, is set to 0.02, and the maximum acceleration parameter, also called just maximum, is set to 0.2. When SAR dots cross the price from bottom to top, it is a signal to open a down trade. When SAR dots cross the price from top to bottom, it can be a good moment to open an up trade. Use Parabolic SAR in combination with other indicators such as MACD and ADX to improve the accuracy of the signals.
How to use the ADX trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the ADX strategy for quick trades starting from 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the ADX indicator, or Average Directional Movement Index, developed by engineer and trader Wells Wilder. ADX helps determine the strength and direction of the trend, which is especially useful for quick trading. The indicator consists of 3 lines. The ADX line is a smoothed moving average of the difference between the other 2 components, plus DI and minus DI. The higher the ADX value, the stronger the trend. The plus DI line, or positive directional indicator, measures the upward movement of the price and helps to assess how much the price is moving upward. The minus DI Kelner, or negative directional indicator, measures the downward price movement and shows how much the price is moving downward. If the ADX value is above 25%, the trend is considered strong enough to open trades. How to set up the ADX indicator for quick trades. Set the DI length and ADX smoothing values to 5. Watch the direction of the plus DI and minus DI lines. If plus DI crosses minus DI from bottom to top, the trend is upward, and you can open an up trade. If plus DI crosses minus DI from top to bottom, the trend is downward, and you can open a down trade. To improve the accuracy of ADX signals, we recommend using it in combination with RSI, Stochastic Oscillator, and Ballinger Bands indicators.
How to use the Kelner channel trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Kelner channel strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the Kelner channel indicator, developed by Chester Kelner in the 1960s, which helps traders identify when an asset's price deviates from its average, which can signal a possible trend reversal. The indicator consists of 3 lines: a middle line based on the exponential moving average, EMA, and 2 outer lines that are created using the ATR, average true range, indicator, and a multiplier. How to set up the Kelner channel indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 20, the ATR period to 10, and the multiplier to 2. Open an up trade when the price touches the lower channel line and starts moving upwards. Open a down trade when the price touches the upper channel line and starts moving downwards. For increased signal accuracy, you can combine the Kelner channel with other indicators like RSI or MACD. How to use the awesome Oscillator trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the awesome Oscillator strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the awesome Oscillator AO indicator, which was developed by Bill Williams and helps to identify changes in market dynamics and possible trend reversals. The indicator consists of a histogram showing the difference between the 34-period and 5-period simple moving averages, or SMA. How to set up the awesome oscillator for quick trades. Set the default parameters 5 and 34 periods. Open an up trade when the AO crosses the 0 line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when AO crosses the 0 line from top to bottom. Use the awesome oscillator indicator together with other indicators such as Parabolic SAR or Ballinger Bands to increase the accuracy of signals. How to use the momentum trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the momentum strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the momentum indicator created by French mathematician Paul-Émile Appel. Momentum shows the strength and direction of the trend, as well as the further potential of its development. How to set up momentum indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 10 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Keep an eye on the indicator line relative to the 100 level. Open an up trade when the momentum line rises above the 100 level. This is a signal that the price is gaining speed and may continue to rise. Open a down trade when the momentum line falls below the 100 level. This is a signal that the price is losing speed and may begin to fall. Combine momentum signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the fractal trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the fractal strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the fractal indicator, which was developed by Bill Williams and helps to identify potential trend reversals on the chart. It consists of 5 candles or 2 periods. The middle candle is the highest or lowest, and on both sides of it are 2 candles with lower highs or higher lows. How to set up the fractal indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 5. Now the fractal consists of 11 candles. Open an up trade on the second candle after the fractal if the first candle closed above the level of the middle fractal candle. Open a down trade on the second candle after the fractal if the first candle closed below the level of the middle fractal candle. In both cases, this is called confirmation of the fractal level breakdown. For increased signal accuracy, use the fractal indicator together with other indicators, such as moving average or RSI. How to use the CCI trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the CCI strategy for quick trades, starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the CCI Commodity Channel Index indicator created by Donald Lambert in 1980. CCI helps determine when an asset is overbought or oversold, which can indicate a potential price reversal. How to set up the CCI indicator for quick trades. Set the CCI period to 14 to make it more sensitive to short-term price movements. Watch for overbought and oversold signals. Open an up trade when the CCI falls below -100. This indicates an oversold condition and the price may start to rise. Open a down trade when the CCI rises above +100. This indicates an overbought condition and the price may start to fall. Combine CCI signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the Zigzag trading strategy. Today we'll show you how to use the Zigzag strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on using the Zigzag indicator. Zigzag is particularly useful for identifying short-term price movements in quick trading situations. This is one of the earliest indicators. It was used at the stock market. Its creator is not known. How to set up the Zigzag indicator for quick trades. Set the deviation to 2 to track minor but important movements. Set the depth parameter to 1 to make the indicator react faster to price changes. The backstep parameter should be equal to 1, which minimizes the redrawing of the indicator lines. Open an up trade when a new low point is formed and the line starts to move up. Open a down trade when a new upper point is formed and the line starts to move down. Use the Zigzag indicator together with volume indicators or oscillators such as RSI or MACD to confirm signals and increase the accuracy of your trades. How to use the Arun trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Arun strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the Arun indicator, which was developed by Tushar Chande in 1995. The indicator helps to identify the initial phases of a new trend in the market. The indicator consists of 2 lines, Arun up and Arun down, which help to determine the direction and strength of the trend. How to set up the Arun indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 for a more sensitive response to market changes. Open an up trade when the Arun up line crosses the Arun down line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the Arun down line crosses the Arun up line from bottom to top. To increase the accuracy of signals, use the Arun indicator together with other indicators such as moving average or RSI. How to use the Vortex trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the Vortex strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on using the Vortex indicator developed by Etienne Bottega and Douglas Siegel in 2010. The indicator consists of 2 lines, positive vortex line and negative vortex line, which help to determine the beginning and end of the trend. How to set up the Vortex indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Watch for crossovers of positive and negative vortex lines. Open an up trade when the positive vortex line crosses the negative vortex line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the negative vortex line crosses the positive vortex line from top to bottom. These crossovers indicate the beginning of a new trend. Combine vortex signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to increase accuracy. How to use the envelopes trading strategy. Today we'll show you how to use the envelope strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the envelopes indicator, which was first used by Chester W. Kelner. The envelopes indicator consists of 2 SMA lines that frame the price chart. It helps to determine when the price of an asset becomes too high or too low compared to the average price. How to set up the envelopes indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements, and set the percentage deviation at 0.05%. Watch how the chart crosses the SMA lines. Open an up trade when the chart crosses the SMA from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the chart crosses the SMA from top to bottom. Combine envelope signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the Accelerator Oscillator trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Accelerator Oscillator AO strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Accelerator Oscillator developed by the famous technical analyst Bill Williams. The AO helps identify changes in price momentum and potential trend reversals. It consists of a histogram with red and green bars that show acceleration, green bars, or deceleration, red bars, of the market movement. Setting up the Accelerator Oscillator for quick trades. Use the default settings: AO short period at 5, AO long period at 34, AC SMA period at 5. This will generate the AO histogram. Pay attention to the green and red bars on the histogram. Open an up trade when the histogram bar changes from red to green, indicating an increase in bullish momentum. Open a down trade when the histogram bar changes from green to red, indicating an increase in bearish momentum. Combine Accelerator Oscillator signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the ROC trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the rate of change, or ROC strategy, for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the ROC indicator, which was first proposed in the works of Dr. Alexander Elder. The ROC indicator measures the rate of change in the price of an asset over a certain period and shows the percentage change in price, helping to determine the strength of the trend. How to set up the ROC indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 7 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Watch how the ROC line crosses the 0 line. Open an up trade when ROC rises above the 0 line. Open a down trade when ROC falls below the 0 line. These signals indicate the beginning of a new trend. Combine ROC signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the OSMA trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the OSMA strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on using the OSMA, or moving average of oscillator indicator. OSMA measures the momentum of price movements and helps to forecast future trends by showing the difference between the oscillator and its moving average. It was created based on data from another indicator, MACD. How to set up the OSMA indicator for quick trades. Set the fast EMA to 12, the slow EMA to 26, and the signal SMA to 9. These settings help to clearly identify short-term price fluctuations. Open an up trade when the histogram bar begins to form above the 0 line. Open a down trade when the histogram bar starts to form below the 0 line. Combine the OSMA indicator with RSI or stochastic indicators to help confirm momentum and direction. How to use the Bull's Power trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Bull's Power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Bull's Power indicator, developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bulls, i.e. buyers, in the market by measuring the difference between the maximum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bulls are dominant. If it's negative, the bears are dominant. How to set up the bull's power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the bull's power indicator crosses the zero line from below, confirming increasing bull strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the zero line from above, indicating weakening bull strength. For greater accuracy, use bull's power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. How to use the bear's power trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the bear's power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the bear's power indicator developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bears, i.e. sellers, in the market by measuring the difference between the minimum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bears are dominant. If it's negative, the bulls are dominant. How to set up the bear's power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the bear's power indicator crosses the zero line from below, confirming increasing bear strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the zero line from above, indicating weakening bear strength. For greater accuracy, use bear's power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. You can learn how the RSI or moving average indicators work in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.